Welcome to the WebHooks module, where you can automate actions and connect your CRM with external apps in real time. This is your webhook list. Once created, you'll see all active and inactive webhooks here with their URL, status, and actions. To get started, click Add Webhook, enter the action name, request URL, and define the event that will trigger the webhook. Track webhook activity and troubleshoot issues in real time using the webhook logs section. Quickly locate a webhook by using the search bar or sort the list as needed. Webhooks ensure your systems are always in sync, trigger actions, automate workflows, and enhance your CRM integration with ease.